Hello students, today we will do section A, chapter 7. Chapter name is Liberty. And today's our topic is discuss the nature of liberty. At first point is liberty does not mean the absence of all restraints. And second point is liberty admits the presence of rational restraints and the absence of irrational restraints. Then third point is liberty postulates the existence of such conditions in which people can enjoy their rights and develop their best selves. Then fourth point is liberty is not a license to do anything and everything. And fifth point is liberty is possible only in a civil society and not in a state of nature or a state of jungle. State of anarchy can never be a state of liberty. Then sixth point is liberty is for all. Liberty means the presence of adequate opportunities for all as can enable all the people to enjoy their rights. And seventh point is since liberty is not absence of restraints and it is present only in a civilized society. Law is an essential condition of liberty. Then eighth point is without liberty, right do not have a meaning.